Okay, let's silicone around this niche. It's just like this, guys. I'm going to be running out of silicone in a minute. I'll have to get another tube. Right. Another tube. That nozzle is going well. It's a nice. I've cut it to the right size. So all I do is just swap them over. That's white. Cut the top off. Slap that on, and we're good to go. That's all there is to it. What is that? A bit of a dirty mark from a cutter. See what I mean about having it just come out from your tile just a smidgy ditch? Then you've got something to silicone against. And it finishes it off. Beauty, boy. Spray, give it a spray. The secret is too, when you're doing silicone, don't get ahead of yourself. And then you'll leave it too long and you'll stuff it up. Bit of glue. So don't get ahead of yourself and do too much, because once it's starting to go off, once it's starting to skin, you're in trouble big time. Take it out and start again. I don't like that, it's not nice and it's not nice and clean. I'll come back to it. Time is of the essence. Once I've done it, I can go back and touch something up. Don't go too far ahead of yourself. And if you're a DIYer, don't do too much at all until you get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, then you can increase it and do a bit more as you get better and better. Increase the amount you do. Oh, good old shorts. They come in handy. Oh, so does a t-shirt. It's not very often a cloth is handy, is it? Okay, I've just got to do that one again, go over it. It's not quite right. Stand back, have a bit of a look. Have a bit of a look, Chook. I'll get my wash boy nice and clean, and I'll just give it all a bit of a wash down, last wipe, once I've siliconed it all. Okay. See you soon.